Good afternoon, everybody. Here today, it's a beautiful day at a place to shoot. We're here with our German friends. We brought them here to experience shooting an AK and I don't know what a shotgun. I guess they're doing the what is this called, Hannah? Huh? The clays. They'll be shooting at the clays. We had a couple of bays inside, not inside, but to the back, and one of them has a C. He's initiated to the Half Moon and C Club. Yep, I'm one of the members there, and my brother-in-law too. So it's a beautiful day, and we just thought we'd go out and spend some time with them because I think they'll be heading back home on Saturday. So they'll get a chance to shoot at the clays in a little bit. And Miss Hannah here is being antisocial today. She needs to work on her social skills, not very talkative, and that's something I don't lack. Like I said, I just wanted to share this experience with all my followers. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm almost gonna hit 1 million, and I'll be giving there'll be a giveaway. So actually I'm gonna hit 10 and I'll be giving a giveaway. Did I say 1 million? So Mr. Machine over there will be next. Just want to tell everybody thank you for subscribing and supporting my YouTube channel. I never have too many that I cannot keep up with my Rancho El Milagro WH and our other social life concerts and so, and you know, shooting range, and you know, but yep. So let's see. Darian, they call him the Mad Machine. So let's see Darian's first experience with the shot shell, and they'll be, like I said, shooting at the clay. Safety. We don't want anybody to get hurt. And to the side of me, there's a guy that's shooting a handgun. I'm not sure if it's a Glock or what it is. 45 or something, but I don't know if he knows the rules. You're supposed to shoot, stop, shoot. Like, he's like, boom, boom, boom. So I'm sure they'll be getting after him. Like, they got after us, thinking we're stealing a bay. And my husband, oh, okay, shoot at the birds. No, you have to shoot at the clays. Just don't turn around. Shoot us back here. Come on, Darren. Oh. Gosh, Darren. Come on, Darren. Oh. He's gonna flies back here. Yeah, this place is okay. I've been to Nardi's. Oh, there it is. There they are. Gonna get after that guy I told you. Shooting, like, not giving it that 1, 2, 3 in between. But I was gonna tell you, this place is okay. I've been to other places around the world. You know, I travel so much, and this place is okay. It's a little hole in the wall, and it's all right. Management kind of sucks, but other than that, yeah, if you got nothing else to do, drive out to the south side to a place you should. And no, I'm not paid or anything. I'm just giving you my honestly opinion. I honestly prefer going to Nardi's. AC, no wasps in there. Some people here are upset about that. And the mosquitoes, because they're sure